What's up, Barndo bros and gals? Hey. Look who I got with me here today.
Hi, guys.
Well, she decided to be on this video, not just the camping videos. I had to convince her to come out. She's camera shy, like you guys know, but she decided to show up, and she's doing the video with me today. There hasn't been much to talk about the Barndo. The only update that we have is the flooring downstairs. I already gave you the flooring upstairs. I was waiting for Robert, my friend that did the tile, to finish the tile downstairs, so I'll give you guys an update, and it looks great. I know it's been a while since we posted a video. It's been a really busy couple of weeks. I hurt my back last week, so I could barely move. She had to help me out of the gym. So I was picking up a dumbbell and I threw my back out. And
she literally had to carry me out.
That's exaggerated.
She didn't carry me out. I walked, but it was painful. Anyway, also, there hasn't been much to talk about the Barndo. The only update that we have is the flooring downstairs. I already gave you the flooring upstairs. I was waiting for Robert, my friend that did the tile, to finish the tile downstairs, so I'll give you guys an update, and it looks great. So, let's talk about flooring. I'm a procrastinator when it comes to flooring. She could tell you that. Right. So, we found this great flooring, and it was cheap. It was $1.70 a square foot. Well, let me restart. We weren't sure what we wanted to do, right? So we started with this. Okay, we're gonna do vinyl, and everybody's doing vinyl, and then we saw the price of vinyl. There was like $3, $4 a square foot. It's crazy. It's plastic. Why is it so much money? So we started talking about then maybe epoxy. We wanted to do the epoxy floors, and then that was like $7 a square foot. I found a place that we could find all the material to do it, but it was going to run about, what was it, like $2,800 for the material alone?
Almost $3,000 just for the product.
Right, and then we weren't sure how it was going to turn out, so we decided to go with tile. Before that, we even considered wood, but let me tell you a story about wood. We went with wood in our house that we have now, and when we decided to tear that wood out to put tile, it wasn't pretty.
It was a nightmare.
It was a nightmare. It's a lot of work. Whoever installed a hardwood floor in our house, glued it down to the concrete, to the slab. Man, we spent maybe a month tearing that thing apart.
We did.
And
we even tore out some pieces of concrete while doing it.
We sure did.
Yeah.
So with all that in mind, we decided to go with a tile floor.
Mm-hmm.
We started looking for tile, and you know, in past videos, you know that I've said that I like to give business to local people, but I wasn't getting the prices that I needed to be at. So we found this place in Orlando, and we got this 24 by 48 porcelain rectified tile that looks like marble for $1.70 a square foot. Now that's just material. That doesn't include installation, and it doesn't include the thin set. But it's beautiful. Can't wait to show you guys, and that's what we decided to go with.
But it's not just beautiful, it's gorgeous.
No. So for the installation of this tile, I had my friend Rob Brazeries, and he's from Brazeries Tile and Stone. I've known Rob for about, like 20 years. Mm-hmm. He worked construction here in Florida, then he went to Massachusetts when the recession hit, and he's back. He's been back for maybe about 6-7 months. And when I saw him, I said, hey, you're doing my tile because I remember how you did work, and it was great. So we're gonna get you to do the tile in my house, and he did a fantastic job. So I will put his contact information on the comments below. So if you're anywhere in Florida, and he'll travel to do work, you're gonna see that he did a great job.
He did a fantastic job. And he took his time, and I appreciate that because it's a lot of work. The tile they're massive, so it takes a lot to move and put them down. And he did phenomenal, and I recommend him to anyone.
100%.
100%.
So this tile is, like I said before, is 2 foot by 4 foot, and has been doing this by himself, which is crazy to me. He has these suction cups. Each tile weighs about 28 pounds, and he's picking it up by himself, laying it down, It took him almost a month to finish the floor on the first floor because he's working by himself. He doesn't have anyone working with him, but he's very meticulous with what he does. He did these nice designs on the thresholds.
When we transition to the bathrooms, it changes to slate. So it goes from a marble look to a slate look. So we try to...
Well, it's a porcelain tile and it's polished. So it's very slippery. So we were gonna do that in the bathroom. So the transition between this porcelain tile and the black slate in the bathroom, he did these thresholds with marble and he did a little design. We're gonna show you. Thin set, well, we wasted a lot of thin set because he's meticulous with his work and he told me, listen, I'm gonna make this floor level. I'm gonna use a 6-foot level and everything is gonna be level. I don't care how the slab is. So in some places we had to put a little bit more thin set. We went through about 67 bags of thin set, 40-pound bags for the job downstairs, but it's beautiful. It's fantastic. It's level. You don't see any lippage. You can walk barefoot. You're not gonna hurt your toe. You're not gonna do anything. So let's go.
Let's go. Let's go inside.
All right, it's late in the day. It's about 6 p.m. It's during Hurricane Debbie. It really didn't hit us that much. We got some wind. We got a lot of rain. My pond is super full, as you can see. I mean, 2 weeks ago, that thing was 2 feet down. So we got some rain, we needed it. So let's go inside. Hello.
Hi, welcome.
All right, Cindy, show us the place. Look at this floor. This is what we got, guys, going on. Let me show you. It's polished. It's white and gray with these nice lines. Very thin grout line. As you can see, it's about a 1/16. Rob did a fantastic job, man. I could get that level right now and show you that there's no gaps whatsoever. So Cindy's gonna take us around here. This is the main room here. Don't forget the doggy.
Our little doggy room.
And they did the tile in there too, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, the dogs are gonna be nice in there. Oh, and also we started hanging doors. So our friend Louis from 8 Plus Homes, the one that did the framing, we started hanging the door. So that's another sneak peek that you guys got. We're gonna be hanging doors, but
This is our first transition.
okay. So this one is marble and it has the 2 little diamond-shaped tiles just to go between the bathroom and the living room here. Now in the other bathrooms, they have the darker tile. You're gonna see in a little bit.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys saw this already, but this is pretty much done too. The fireplace. These beautiful 8-foot doors. Look at that. There's some tall doors. Whose room is this gonna be?
I don't know yet.
We don't know.
I do, but I don't want to say that.
Oh, you don't want to say?
No.
Why?
Because I don't want to say.
It's a surprise?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So I can't open the door all the way because there's a ladder back here, but this is the first transition into the slate.
Okay. Now we did go with this tile throughout the whole first floor. Even in the closets. So not too bad for $1.70 a square foot. I'm telling you, this is good quality tile. It's very shiny. Hey, it's slippery. So no walking with socks. Because, you know, you're gonna slip. But the whole first floor has this tile from the entrance to the bedrooms, the bathroom here, not the master, not the bathrooms for the girls, not the Jack and Jill bathrooms. Take you in here in another room here. There's some boxes there, but that's the electric stuff. And I will, like we said before, I recommend Rob for any tile or stone. Like he does tile, he does stone work. Look at his little detail that he did here, and he did this on his own accord. We just bought the pieces of marble to go there. Nothing really going on in the bathroom here. The other bathroom, the shower's almost done. I might give you a sneak peek, but You know, most of these doors are already up too. I started doing windowsills, but you know, I was trying to make them out of, this is PVC, this is not wood. So this is like a plastic material. So if you have any condensation from the windows, which we shouldn't have because it's a double pane window, but Cindy didn't like them.
Nope.
So what do you want?
I'm thinking marble.
Okay. Just white or?
No, something to go with my floors.
So something that has the
Something
white
with this pattern, yeah.
and the gray.
Mm-hmm.
That shouldn't be hard to find.
Yeah.
The only issue that we have is the width. So we might have to get them custom made.
Probably.
They're not standard windowsills. This windowsill is like 7.5 inches wide, and the ones in the front are even wider.
They're wider. Mm-hmm.
So, fantastic job. We even put this tile in our pantry, the walk-in pantry. It's a little dark.
Turn the lights.
It's not on.
Oh.
I turned the
And
the generator off. The office, same flooring, beautiful. This is all right. I'm back. Sorry, ran out of batteries. Should have been prepared. This is a tile that we'll show you. Come back out. You have the mud room. Again, like I said before, we did this tile everywhere, and no matter where you are, this job is fantastic. You could go and check these grout lines. There's no lip, everything is level. You did a fantastic job. These doors look great. Can't wait to see them trimmed. It's very windy out here.
Yeah, it just opened the door.
We have a couple of things to do with electric. As far as finishing trimming out, there's an outlet here on the floor that we have to trim out. There's an outlet back there behind the fireplace that we have to finish up before we turn on the power, and this TV outlet. And there's some outlets outside that need to be done. I will be getting the material tomorrow delivered for the soffits. We're going to be working on that. Another thing that I did was these columns here in the front. I finished them out the other day. Hey, I'm surprised this permit box didn't fall over the window we've been getting.
Just lay it down on the floor.
I finished these last week to match the wall here. So this outlet is done. We ran outlets on the corners and in the front of the columns here, so we could put some lights. But that's it, guys. This is what we got. The update for this week. We will be back next week with another video. Don't know if it's going to be an update because there's not much to update you now. We got to finish these doors. We're starting to trim, and we got to get this kitchen ordered. Thank you for checking this out. Always, please share this with your friends, and click that little bell so you get notified every time we have new content. I will try to update a video every week. It's hard when you have a life, and I have like 2 jobs plus this house.
Yes.
So see you guys next time. Thank you.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.